Which position do you like the most? In casual relationships, you tend not to feel comfortable asking this question. When this persists, boredom tends to set in and the positions are always repeated. The best advice we can give you is don't be afraid to talk to your partner. To make this task easier, we have brought you a list of their favorite positions in bed. 1. Doggy style. In the position where the woman is on all fours, her partner is penetrated from behind. This is the position preferred by women. In this position, deep penetration is achieved at different angles, stimulating areas like the G-spot. The use of fixed belts can improve an already pleasant position, as it allows you to easily change the angle of penetration. 2. Missionary. This is the most familiar position of the Kama Sutra, and is summarized with the woman lying on her stomach. 3. Cowgirl. This position is preferred by Portuguese women. The name is descriptive because, like a cowgirl, she is mounted with the male between her legs. In this position, he is in charge. The man lies or sits on his back and she sits up facing him. That way, he can stay. Complete control over the speed and depth of the relationship. Both hands are free, an advantage for those who enjoy touching and caressing at the same time. In this position, deeper penetration occurs, requiring greater elasticity from the woman. He is lying on his back. His legs are clamps on his partner's ankles, which pierces him to his knees. Pleasure for both parties, he enjoys more sensations, and he besides penetration, also gets a view of her body and reaction. For a more advanced experience, they can use a sling. Ankle strap. This way, his hands are free to touch all other erosion spots. This way you can adjust their position while playing. 5. In a shell. A comfortable position that doesn't require a lot of acrobatics. Both are lying on their sides, she on her back in the fetal position with her legs bent close to him. Being able to care simultaneously, from behind the penetration. After intercourse, you can sleep in the same position. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, share it on all social platforms.